Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Berry Mix Journals over at Instagram. I am sorry I haven't been posting much here in my YouTube channel. It's just been a crazy couple of months work-wise. And there's also a lot of family stuff that happened, lots of celebrations and such, so I haven't been able to record the video. And then this week I got COVID again, so I'm a little bit sick as I'm recording this video, but hopefully you can still understand me. And I am here today to share with you a very exciting project that I did for the Paper Cameo. So Nicola has released her latest kits called Donatella, Autumn Gold, and Damask Gold. So you know me, if you've been watching my channel, I love gold. I love everything shiny and all of that thing. So this kit really spoke to me, and I really wanted to create something with it. And if you saw if you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen me create these molds in my Instagram stories, and I knew that I would be using them together with this kit when I saw it. So let's go ahead with the show and tell for today. I also posted some of the tags that I made using the kits that are inside this little, I wouldn't say it's a journal. I guess it's a journal ephemera holder hybrid, because I just really wanted to showcase the different bits that are included in the Etsy in the digital kit. So this is the front. So this is part of the kit, and then I just added this lace here at the bottom, this mold, as well as this one on the top, and then this is part of a lace that I cut out. Then I just had to add that one in there to tie in all of the gold elements. And then this is the first page. This is one of the tags that I made. These cutouts pockets are also part of the kit, and then I just decorated it with different PET washi. This is a vintage I think this is a Tim Holtz ticket that I added in that tag. This is actually a pocket, so you can put that in there, or you can also put this in here. So I wanted to use the envelopes to extend the journal, because this doesn't have a lot of pages in it as my usual ones, but I really just wanted to add these beautiful envelopes. Nicola makes the best envelopes anyway. I think this is part of the botanical kit, and then this is a vintage bingo card. Then they just go together inside the pocket. Okay, this is part of her labels kit that I embellished with some washi. Just really love this butterflies, so I wanted to include them there, and then I embellished them with some pearls. Added this. More bits inside. So I chose the ephemera that would go with the color scheme. Some autumny vibes. Added this washi to add a bit of shine. This is my favorite tag from this project. I added those molds, And then this sticker is a washi as well. More butterflies. Note card from the botanical kit. More of that. Just, I really like that element there. That's Tim Holt's ephemera as well. Then these two go in here. This is a whole page from the Donatella kit, and then I just shrunk it to and printed it smaller so that it will turn into a note card. That's one way to maximize the use out of your digikits. You can print them different sizes so that you can use them as a tag, as a page, or as a note card as I did. This is another spread that I really like. So these butterflies are cut out from the middle page. You can see it actually here. So that's the whole page. And then I just cut out the different butterflies and I added this to this page. And then with the pearls as well. These are my favorite envelopes from the kit. And then this is that butterfly page that I also shrunk down into a note card. This goes in here. Okay. This just goes in here. Some mushrooms. I think I cut this out from the Secret Woodland kit. That's where those are from, as well as these leaves and this butterfly and that bee. More embellished tags. These tags, by the way, are from the Naturals Ephemera kit. So that's full of tags that are huge. So these are a lot bigger than your usual tag. And I love them because they have so much space for embellishment. And then this is one of those envelopes that I shrunk down. Can be used by the new owner. Another tag. Last one here. This one is a little bit of a tear, but yeah, like how that looks. Then this is the last tag in the back. So there we have it. I hope you enjoy watching this, and if you're interested in getting these digital kits, I will link Nicola's Etsy shop down below. Thank you so much for watching.